All right, so I'm bringing you another pressure demonstration. It looks like a chemistry one, and it really is. This is a lab I do with my chem students. Yes, I actually do this. But it's gonna show a very cool pressure effect. So I put some soap and some glycerin inside some tap water. All that's really gonna do is make some nice bubbles, because I want some nice bubbles. And we're gonna mix some aluminum with some 3 molar sodium hydroxide. This is pretty nasty stuff, so I don't know if you can see me. I am wearing the goggles. I do have the fire extinguisher on hand, just in case. And I'm gonna pour some of this in there. And it's gonna take a little while for the reaction to start because aluminum has an oxide layer on it. And that's kind of resistant to this reaction. So it is going to take us a little while to... Hydrogen gas is, of course, highly flammable, and that's why we have the lighter. Don't try this at home. I'm just shaking it up to make sure all the aluminum gets coated. Once this gets going, we're going to start getting a lot of gas. Whew. Nice little pop. And I think we're close to what I want you to see. Yes, the water is actually draining out of the cup and filling up the beaker. So we waited about 9 minutes to see this. This is basically the pressure aspect of this demonstration, which I find fascinating. And we need to explain why that's happening. Why is the liquid now draining from the cup and basically flowing uphill into the Erlenmeyer flask?